We have been demanding more detailed information about people getting sick in our area. Nationally, numbers show that this pandemic has taken a higher toll on African Americans. Mayor Quinton Lucas is one of the voices asking, why can't we get that data here?
Is incredibly frustrating to me. I think it undermines much of our mission to say that either we cannot share or we don't know enough about it.
Less than 1 hour ago, we did get some information, not from the county, but from the city. It released the data that we had been asking for. Investigative reporter Angie Racono is live tonight to break it all down. Angie.
Hi, Ellen. Some of the information that we have to share is heartbreaking because it regards deaths, and we know there's a lot of grieving families out there. We do want to share with you what we know tonight, and as you said, this is for Kansas City. This is not for Jackson County overall. This is just Kansas City. 3 females, 5 males, 5 black, 2 white, 1 other, 7 from Jackson County, 1 from Clay. As far as ages, 1 person in their 60s, 3 in their 70s, 2 in their 80s, 2 are in their 90s. And as you have said, there's been a lot of back and forth about sharing information. We know that Kansas City's Mayor Quinton Lucas has really advocated transparency, but it has been a different story with Jackson County Executive Frank White, who released a very strong statement last night, just hours after St. Louis released information saying he urged caution, especially when it comes to race and zip code.
I don't want to get into the political space.
Doctors at the University of Kansas Hospital offered a medical perspective.
I don't see why we wouldn't get that data.
More data is helpful.
If we're going to try and do a strategy to prevent the spread of the disease, how much sense does it make to ignore hotspots? Right? How much sense does that make?
KCTV5 has consistently requested information on the coronavirus as we have reported on deaths like Robert Perry. He was a veteran, a retired mailman, a father, and grandfather.
Personally, I don't want to know, but I need to know.
So that was Joe Jackson, and I think he's echoing a lot of sentiments out there. I mean, a lot of people, we don't want to know this information, but it's something that we may need to know, and that's what the doctors are saying. If we're going to address hotspots, if we're going to address people who are having challenges with this virus, we need to know that information. So we have a clear picture tonight from Kansas City, and they're telling us they will be releasing more information as it comes. We are still working to get more information from Jackson County. They have been hesitant, but in the last, let's say, 20 minutes, I did get an email saying they will be sharing information. We will provide that to you when we receive it. Reporting live in Kansas City, Angie Racono, KCTV5 News.
Thanks, Angie. Yeah, information certainly can be a good thing. Today, the state of Missouri started posting the information that it has on race and the coronavirus, and 47% of the people who have died are white. 18% are black, 4% are other, and the state does not have information on 31%. That's a big chunk that we just don't know about.